Now, on the upside of things, the pharmaceutical giant Pfizer announced its COVID vaccine has reached a 90% effectiveness rate. But more steps need to be taken before it can be given to the public. First News reporter Jacob Thompson spoke with a local doctor about this.
Everyone wants to go back to our normal lives, but we're told that can't happen until a vaccine for COVID-19 is out. Pfizer's reports say their vaccine is 90% effective, but there's still a couple things that need to happen before it can be released.
What companies like this need to do is they need to complete getting all of their data, and then they have to submit it to the government, basically the FDA.
With the possibility to request for a fast track, which means getting it to the marker quicker. Pfizer's vaccine is a 2-dose vaccine, which can be common, but Dr. Mike Sevilla tells me there's a concern with that.
Some people who may not get the second booster, and if they miss that, then obviously that decreases their effectiveness. It'll go lower than the 90%.
Right now, Pfizer has each shot being 3 weeks apart, but there's a storage issue.
To store it, they're saying that negative 95, 93 degrees.
This temperature keeps the vaccine at 90% effectiveness, which some doctors' offices and hospitals may have trouble with. The goal is to have the vaccine ready for the public by December, and that adds more questions to how fast this pandemic comes to an end.
How effective is it? How safe is it? What are the side effects of it?
Along with how fast it can be ready for everyone. But Dr. Sevilla wants to know what other medical professionals he respects thinks of it.
If I can go with that, if I trust that, I have no problems being first in line. I have no problems recommending this to all of my patients for them to be first in line.
Dr. Sevilla suggests speaking with your doctor about the vaccine. Jacob Thompson, WKBN 27 First News.